Hey there! Let me show you how to create such stunning slides from any URL or link. For example, say you visited this Wikipedia page about F1 2025. Simply copy the URL, navigate to the AI slides section on Runable, and ask it to create a slide using that link. Then scroll through the best design inspirations and select the one you like the most. Then hit Run. Within a minute, you'll have an amazing slide ready to go. If you need to make any edits, just click the Edit button and select the image or text you'd like to modify. For instance, to change an image, click Replace, then either search the web, generate one using AI, or upload directly from your device. Want to refine any text? Just select it and ask AI to handle the edits for you. This one looks text-heavy. Let's make it more concise. You can also adjust its size, reposition it by dragging, and even change the colors. It's really that simple.